brothers on the rise now.
Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to make some homemade mayonnaise, and these are the ingredients: egg, lemon, salt and vegetable oil. So we are going to start with my favorite method, which will be the hand blender method. So we'll start by breaking an egg into our bowl. A tablespoon of lemon juice. So here we'll put all our vegetable oil, and that is a cup of vegetable oil and a pinch of salt. This will take like a minute to do. It's so easy. So we just take the hand blender and blend everything together in a minute and everything is okay. This is my favorite method, so fast. And while we are at this, please, I'd like you to subscribe. You see the red button down, the red place that they've written subscribe. Please just subscribe on it, guys. And please like the video for me so that the video can go further, others can see it. The hand blender method is finished. You see, within a minute everything is done. This is my best, so I wanted to start with my best method before we go to the other methods. You know, if you don't have a hand blender, there are other options that you can use. So this is done. Look how creamy this looks. Now I will take it out from the bowl. Look at that. You should try this, guys. Try this and you will love it. Look how this is, and you can store in your fridge for about 2 weeks. It will be okay. So now we go to the second method. We break an egg, and if you take note, this is just the egg yolk. There is no egg white in it. So this is a hand whisk method. Remember the first method we used a whole egg or the full egg, and here we use just the yolk, the egg yolk. So we put in our vegetable oil gradually. Remember, you don't have to put everything together, just put it gradually and whisk. And again, we are using a cup of vegetable oil. It's basically the same ingredients we use at the first, but in this second method we put the vegetable oil gradually and whisk. So we keep whisking. This is so tedious. It requires a lot of manpower. You know, you have to whisk, and oh my god, your hand, you're going to feel it in your arm. So I will just be whisking and adding my vegetable oil. You see, that's after about 8 minutes. That's what we have. So I'll be putting the vegetable oil gradually until all the cup of vegetable oil is finished. Look at the consistency. So creamy. So basically this method took me about 20 minutes to do. It takes a longer time, you know. You see, I added my vegetable oil again and I'm whisking. So for those who do not have a hand blender, you can use your whisk to do that. It will still come out great. So we're done. That's about 20 minutes later. We're done. Now we take it out from the bowl. Look at that. I love mayonnaise so much. So we're done with the second method, and the last method is the hand mixer method. So here I'm putting a full egg, pinch of salt, and the lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm using the hand mixer to mix. And like the second method, I will be putting in the vegetable oil gradually. This method takes about 10 minutes and everything is ready. Keep mixing. Remember, you put in your vegetable oil gradually, like what I just did. Keep mixing. So which method do you like most? For me, I love the first method. So which is your most favorite among the three? There are other methods still. You can use a blender to do this too, but remember you have to put in your vegetable oil little by little. So write in the comment section and tell me which is your favorite method among the three I just showed you. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe on the red button down below, please guys. So the three methods are done. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.